Bitcoin binary fees. You will pay fee on each side of the trade. To enter the trade, you will pay $2 per contract on Nadex. To exit, again you will pay $2 per trade on Nadex. Now all others, I've just checked them. They also offer the same kind of stuff. Some offers $1.80, others offer $1.50. But the best regulated broker is Nadex, but you can also choose others as well. However, if you let the trade expire on Nadex, then you pay only $2 max. So it's not $2 to enter, $2 to exit. It's just $2 to enter. That is it. Now, for all other brokers, if you find fees above this, then send them an email, because they do change for specific clients. But don't go beyond that. Paying a higher fees is never good. If you incur a loss, then you should not be paying any settlement fees, because Nadex doesn't charge those fees and others should follow it. It's like simple. If you trade a broker in US, then usually all brokers offer the same kind of fees. Only in cases where they offer some extra thing that they increase their fees. Bitcoin spreads are assessed the same way as other Nadex spreads. So everything remains the same. So this is the benchmark. Try to stay within it. If you're paying outrageous fees, don't trade, because fees is one of the most important stuff in earning a profit. Don't ruin the trade. Thank you.